Hey guys, and welcome to this very simple tutorial to adding Dawn or any Shopify online store 2.0 theme to your store. This is good for people who already have a Shopify store, or for people who have just set up a Shopify store, or if you just want to update your theme as well. So click on online store and then just scroll down here and just click on explore free themes. You can actually use any of these. Any of these will be as good as Dawn, if not better. Some of them will have product sliders, I guess. Dawn famously doesn't have product sliders, but we have Refresh, Ride, Colorblock, Taste, Studio, Craft, Crave, Sense, or Dawn. So we're going to add Dawn to the theme library like this. This will add it here. I already added it 3 minutes ago. So the really good thing about this is you can click customize here when it's loaded, and you can remake your homepage. You can make everything look beautiful, and there's a playlist at the end of this video which will help you with that. If you want to make small customizations and etc without paying for a Shopify developer, definitely check out the playlist at the end of this video. Just re-add all your images, all your products, and yeah, it's really simple, guys. And then when you are actually happy with it, that is when you can hit publish here and just publish the theme, and now you have the latest version of Dawn installed on your store. You probably won't even have to do much editing, but you do want to make sure that everything looks nice. And also, if you have any plugins, be aware that they may not work immediately well with Online Store 2.0. They might be working with the old version of Shopify code, so just be wary of that. But a lot of things that plugins do have been replaced by these free themes anyway. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.